Global markets have been little lackluster, and so have been Indian markets. We have been trading in a range, and we believe that the rest of the month also will be probably like this. This is predominantly on the back of the fact that in December, markets, trading, everything slows down, and the holiday season steps in. Also, there are very few triggers which are available for the market to react. The global monetary decisions, Indian RBI decisions, all have been digested by the market, and the market has kind of ignored and continued to move on and behave the way it was behaving even before the policy decisions came in. Pretty much the policy decisions were on the expected lines, and hence there has been very little impact on markets. Of course, company-specific news flow will keep the traders and investors busy. So we have to focus on the news flow, which is very, very company-specific. As far as Indian markets are concerned, we continue to believe that there are still pockets of opportunity, and investors would do well to capitalize on those opportunities by acquiring stocks and building portfolio. BFSI has been our favorite sector for the entire current fiscal, and we continue to maintain that view that BFSI will continue to outperform most other sectors during the current financial year as well as most of the next financial year. Hence, one can continue to look at good quality BFSI companies. We believe among the private sector banks, Axis Bank can be looked at current valuation. It has moved up, but still there is upside potential. We also like some of the PSU banks. In particular, I will mention PNB. I think PNB came with a little bit disappointing numbers last quarter. However, I think the opportunity of valuation catch-up still exists in PNB. Other PSU banks have moved up quite a bit. Other sector which we continue to remain bullish is infrastructure and construction. We believe this is one sector which will benefit because of private and public capital expenditure. The government capital expenditure is bound to be stepped up in the near future, and that will benefit construction companies. So whether the behemoth L&T or even the smaller construction companies like IRB Infrastructure will benefit. Now, construction companies which will benefit are the ones which have got out of their unrelated diversification, monetized unrelated assets, and are in good shape to take on new projects. The investors will have to keep in mind that while the sectors, BFSI as well as infrastructure construction are good, but stock selection has to be done carefully. Thank you.